Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
We got a big one on the ice tonight, and along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski, ready to call all the action. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Opening face-off is set to go. Referee Shilevek is ready to drop the puck. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. What a great read, breaking up the pass. Team Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. With the steal. Shot, and too much traffic in front blocks that one. Slides it back to the blue line. And that one's turned away. Pass to Stamkos. Canada's in now. Moves it quickly over to Stamkos. Receives the pass. Blocked in traffic. Batted down out of midair. Tries to feed it over to Malkin. Sends the pass over. Kulikov's been tripped up, and we got a penalty coming up here. There's the stoppage of play. Let's see what the officials say. Tripped him up, and he's off to the box for it, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck to get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
Russia's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
And if you're one of these power play guys, James, you can't wait now. It's your first opportunity of the night. You get out on the puck.
Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Play blown dead. Penalty coming up here. Getzlaf's getting 2 for hooking.
Well, when you stop your feet, you're almost advertising to the official to keep looking. There's the hook.
Team Russia's got a 5-on-3 and lots of time on their side.
When this puck is moved side to side on a 5-on-3, you're going to rotate those penalty killers around. Eventually, you're going to tire them out. I don't mind taking a shot, but it can't be a bad one from the wing. Get it on the net.
Tarasenko's lugging the puck. Slides the pass over to Kucherov. Slides the puck over. Great defensive effort with the strip. Russia's got the puck now. Takes a shot. Misses high.
Not a bad shot. He just tried to make it too perfect and shoots it over the crossbar.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Russia's got the puck along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Lets it fly with the stop. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Getting a little too physical to maintain possession. And the goalie leaves his crease to play the puck. And here's the pass to Kucherov. Kucherov's got it along the boards. Moves the puck down low. Oh, did you hear that? That was a car crash out there. Still anyone's game as the power play comes up empty-handed.
The only positive for the power play there is they didn't have to skate up and down the ice. They didn't generate anything. They had it in the zone, but really nothing very good about it.
Quick feed to Kuznetsov. Beautiful stop.
Since nobody scored, each team trying to find a little bit of room on the ice. When you can collect a hit like this, everyone on your bench notices.
Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Sends a pass over. Here's a short pass to McDavid. Shoots it, makes the save as that goes off the glove. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Takes the feed at the back end. That's intercepted. Ovechkin's got it into offensive territory. And now he moves it to Sergachev. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Here's an odd man rush. Sends it across. Comes up with the stop. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Shot denied by the goaltender. Doughty's stick handling in his own zone. And now he angles it across to Seguin. Makes a move, and the puck hops away from him.
Wanted to get in just a little closer. Puck slides off his stick, and that's it for the chance.
Rush has grabbed a hold of the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Zaitsev. Team Rush is ready to go on the attack. Locks it down in front. And it's a quick pass to Getzlaf. And now he tries to get it across to Ben. Slides it across with the stop. Bergeron's won the draw. And now it's grabbed by Weber. Handles the puck at the point. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. He's got a step. What a stop on the breakaway.
He waits for the first move, lets the shooter make it, and then shuts it down.
Tosses it on to Ben. Picks it off. They go back on the attack. Takes it across the blue line. Rush has got the puck along the boards. Puck grabbed by Marchand. And now it's over to Stamkos. Denies him on the play.
I think through traffic like that, you're just hoping the thing hits you.
Here's a rip. Gets a piece of it with the trapper. Whistle blown as that's redirected into the crowd.
Even though this faceoff stays in the defensive zone, this is a really good save. With his players in front of him just totally gassed, he's able to deflect it up out of play so everybody can go grab a breather.
Crosby's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Stamkos was hooked on the play, and the official saw it. Here's the official call. Orlov's going off for hooking.
Like every player in the history of the game, he doesn't like the call, but he's going to have to go serve his minor penalty.
Team Canada sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Hey, here's a power play, and the game is scoreless. What a nice opportunity for them to kick the other team in the shins a little bit, get the lead, and play from in front.
Gets it out of his own end. And he slides it quickly to Hall. To his teammate. Lets it go. He got all of that one. From off the post. Intercepts the pass. Snaps one here in the slot. Great save with the stick. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Over the line they come. Quick pass to Sergachev. He scores! Even undermanned, they deliver.
Yeah, it's a sloppy play by the power play. But shorthanded, they get aggressive, they get up the ice, and are able to score while down a man. Now, coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only could see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Team Russia's hard work in this opening period pays off.
Right when the anthem finished, these guys were on it. They've done a really terrific job and are well rewarded for that first goal.
Puck scooped up by Provorov.
By number 98, Mikhail Sergachev, assisted.
And that's picked off. Moves it to Weber. Weber's got it on the offensive end. Puts it on net. Takes that one right in the logo. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Anisimov's won it in their own end. And manages to clear the zone. Moves it quickly over to Shabbat. And that's just out of reach. Sagan's got it in the offensive zone. Centering pass. Quick feed. That goes off the post and stays out.
Canada's luck continues to be bad. A shot off the post, and they still trail.
Here they come on the attack. Great chance in front. Comes up with a big pad save to deny.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
Canada's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Ben's got the puck. Here he is, wrists it on net, turns it away. Gets it out of his own end. Feeds the puck to Pietrangelo, and he slides it quickly to Bergeron. And they'll dump it in. Russia's gained possession along the boards. Nemestikov swooping in on the attack. Here's a short pass to Sergachev. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Now a quick pass to Ovechkin. Team Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick pass to Sergachev. Beats the goalie, but can't beat the post.
Russia's done everything they've wanted to do once the puck hit the ice. They've been the more physical team, they've got the lead in the game, and they're controlling how this game is played.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. 1-0 the score. Getzlaf's taking it from his own end. Makes his presence known on the ice. Moves it to Panarin. Panarin's got it along the wing. With possession along the wall. And the long-range shot goes off target. Picks it off. Look out. Huge steal at his own end.
The offensive player with the lead, you got to be sure with the puck. You can't turn it over in that spot.
And makes the save. Team Canada's ready to go on the attack. Dumps it in. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Malkin's got it against the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Provorov. Gets in front of it. Giroux's carrying it ahead. Here's a chance, and he makes the save. And now he moves it to McKinnon. And now he moves it quickly to Weber. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Takes the pass. Moves it quickly over to Kucherov. Here he is in front. Knocked away. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And it's a quick pass to Seguin. Here's a howitzer at the net. And that shot gets caught in traffic. And that one's picked off. Denied by the goaltender.
What do you think hurts more? He's got a headache or his jaw's sore? That thing was a bullet.
Big time save with the blocker. Can't keep a hold of the puck after that play. Hall's moving it ahead. Moves the puck along the half wall. Wrist shot from the slot. Big time stop. Passes on over to Panarin. Carries it in. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. And that one's stopped.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Canada's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Passes it over to Crosby. Team Canada's got possession here in the offensive zone. Shot stopped by the goaltender. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And he slides it quickly to Anisimov. Stopped by the goaltender. Takes the feed. And now he angles it across to Zadorov. And there's the save. Here in the late goings of the period, we got a 1-0 game to this point. Bergeron's won a big draw in their own end. Quick feed to Ben. Moves the puck. Takes a shot, and he comes up with it. Canada's still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Rips it from the blue line, and he comes up with the save. Nice pass. Here's a short pass to Weber. There's the physical side. Feeds the puck across to Zadorov. Quick pass to Marchand. Glides along the blue line. Quick snap, denies him in front.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
Moves it to Nemestikov. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Strong defensive effort. The backhander stopped by the goaltender.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance. Weber's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
Team Canada's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Buchnevich has won the draw here in the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Kulikov. Hammers one. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. And the puck's kicked free. Russia's got the puck behind the net. Carries it across the line. Takes a shot. Makes the save. Off the skate and scores!
You can have it bounce off your skate, James, but look at that. They've waved this off. This looks like a kicking motion is ruled by the referee. This is about the only time an official is popular. The away team gets the goal disallowed after video review.
No time to think about that non-goal calls. We are ready to resume here. Crosby's won possession. Quick feed to Crosby. Sends it over. Takes that pass back at the point. And he slides it quickly to Pietrangelo. Now a quick pass to Subban. No room for that one to get through. And a great save. And he puts it in for a goal.
Oh, going to be reviewed right away here. The referee has waved this off immediately. This is no goal. His ruling is that this puck was directed in with a glove. Oh, the building is pumped. They thought this goal was not going to count, but after video review, they're going to put it on the board.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Set it out in front, right in the slot. Blocker save. There's the horn, an entertaining 20 minutes of play as we are tied at 1.
Don't throw any objects on or towards the playing surface at any time during the game. The throwing of any object leaves grounds for immediate removal from this building.
40 minutes of regulation still to play. We're looking forward to it. Hopefully you are too. Second period set to get underway. Still tied up here as we get underway here in period number 2. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
Team Russia's focus has to be getting more pucks to the net. They really didn't do much in that first period.
Into the corner of the attacking area. Comes up with the stop. Radulov's got it across the line. Takes the feed. Takes it across the blue line. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. And now he moves it quickly to Burns. And now he tries to get it across to Hall. Picks off the pass. Receives the pass. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Passes the puck over to Hall. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Kuznetsov's got it in the defensive end. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. And makes the save.
I wanted another look at this one. I'm sure you guys were all impressed as I was. What a save by the goalie.
We're still in the early stages of this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Oh, what a save in front.
Yeah, it's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
Along the half wall with the puck. Lights him up into the boards. Great reactionary save on that chance.
That's a pretty good scoring chance. That's a chance the shooter thinks might go in, but the goalie turns it aside.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Shabbat. Team Russia's gained possession. Trying to shake off the defender and can't convert.
James, he's so close to making a change in this game, but he doesn't get the shot off.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. There's the whistle. Offside is the call, stopping the play. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Moves it around along the half wall. Sends the pass over. And that one's broken up. Great block there. Marchand's going to play it against the half wall. Takes the puck behind the net. Stopped by the goaltender.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Tarasenko's got it into offensive territory. And he's taken down. The official's arm signaling for a penalty. And it's a quick pass to Ben. On the attack along the boards. Quick pass to Subban. Here comes the call from the official. Sinbin bound for tripping.
I always hated taking tripping penalties. It always felt like there was something I could have done better than that.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Short-handed goals are really a gut punch when you give one up. You can always look at the clock and say, hey, here's the score. We got a power play. And all of a sudden you make a bobble, a misplay, and it's in your net. Another chance here, though, for them.
Takes a bank in front. Great save by the goaltender. Just real smart positioning on that one. And he gives it over to Crosby. Slides the puck over. And that one's turned away.
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Lots of time left in this period. It's all tied up. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Slides it diagonally to Seguin. Takes it across the blue line. Shot, and that's blocked. Tries to get it out of their own end. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Sends a pass over. Great glove save. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Moves it to Burns. Off target. Handles the puck. Gets it out of his own end. Penalty expires. Both teams now back to even strength, and we are still tied. Really love the effort by the penalty killers on that one.
Oh, I really like the penalty kill there. They were on the same page almost all over the ice that entire power play. The game stays tied because of their fine work.
Big-time defensive play. On the doorstep, and that's broken up with a stick in front. A little bump and grind, but still hangs on to the puck. Great hands to handle the saucer feed. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. Goalie just can't keep up with this. He's close to the net, but he's still able to have enough room to beat the goaltender.
Russia's offense has come alive. You might say someone figured out how to use the controller here, Ray.
It looks like it. At least one guy has. A one-goal lead. They'd like it to be more.
Scored by number 47, Alexander.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal.
A risky play is not the right play now.
Moves it quickly over to McKinnon. Puck picked up by Kuznetsov. Ovechkin's got it in the offensive zone. Comes up with the steal. Slides it quickly to Seguin. Sagan's got the puck. Takes a bump and loses control of the puck. Unloads a shot. Shuts him down. Great hand eye by the goaltender, poking it away. Quick feed to Subban. And he slides it quickly to McKinnon. McKinnon's got the puck in his own zone. And now it's over to Pietrangelo. Pietrangelo's got it along the wing. Here's a short pass to Pietrangelo. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Canada's got the puck in their own end. With possession along the wall. Takes the pass. Team Russia's got control of the puck and tries to make a diagonal pass to Kucherov. Kucherov's got it against the boards. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Team Canada's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. Marchand's getting called for 2 minutes here by the officials.
You get caught when you don't move your feet. Now you've got to reach out to slow the player down. He's in the box.
Rightly so. Power play unit going back to work.
If you can find a way to get a power play goal here, you can change the momentum of this game. They haven't got one yet tonight. And you find yourself starting to press when you don't score.
And manages to clear the zone. Ovechkin's gaining momentum. Takes the feed. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he slides it quickly to Malkin. Gets it out of his own end. Looking to break out here on the power play. Up along the wing. Quick pass to Malkin. Gets a glove on it to make the save. Canada's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Rocks him and manages to clear the zone. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves it to Subban. He got all of that hit with the stop.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice. Russia's not taken their foot off the pedal. They've been aggressive this entire period, and they're controlling the play and have the lead.
More than half the frame has been played here. It's 2-1. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, the double G, the great glove. Team Canada's looked good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. And now he moves it to Tarasenko. Both sides back to even strength. Comes up with the stop.
I like the work the penalty killers did there. The power play at times looked dangerous, but they didn't give up anything. And the power play is now over.
Canada's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Malkin's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone.
Radulov's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier.
Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Malkin's won the draw. Takes a shot with the stop. Now a quick pass to Sergachev. Moves it quickly over to Tavares. Tavares brings it in. Quick feed to Giroux. Handles the bank pass from along the boards. Here he is, shot right in front, and makes the save.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Russia's looking to break out of their own end. And now he moves it quickly to Tarasenko. And they go back on the attack in the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Puck battle along the boards. Over the line they come. Along the half wall with the puck. Looks to get the puck over to Zadorov. Moves it around along the half wall. Slides the puck to Marchand. Here's a short pass to Bergeron. Team Russia's gained possession along the boards. And now he angles it across to Kovalchuk. And it's a quick pass to Dadonov. On the deflection. Moves it ahead from off the wall. And now he tries to get it across to Hall. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And he slides it quickly to Anisimov. Great save by the goaltender to get a pad on that one. Keeping the puck out of the net. And gets control of the puck once again here in the open ice. Pokes it away in his own end. Zadorov's moving the puck through his own zone. And he slides it quickly to Kovalchuk. Sends the pass down low. Puts it to the front of the net. And that's broken up. Quick pass to Crosby. Drives it to the front of the net. Stick save.
Dead center. Excellent save.
Dadonov's got it on the offensive end. Here's a shot. Scores! That's 2 unanswered now.
They stayed right on it. Once they just pushed the pace of this, now they get another. Actually, James, it's amazing to me how many times an odd man rush gets screwed up. They deliver this one perfectly, and they put one on the board.
Russia's given themselves a little breathing room here late in the second.
I would say the next couple of minutes before we get to the intermission are really vital. You'd like to go in just in the spot you're in right now.
Quick pass to Kulikov.
Number 63, Evgeny Dadonov.
Sends it in on the attack. Moves it to Weber. Pushes it across to McKinnon. Here they come on the attack.
16 minutes, 59.
Now a quick pass to Seguin. From the backhand in front. Gives them nothing in front.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Centered out in front, and that's picked off in front. Team Canada's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they have been snake-bitten as they trail late in this second period. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Team Russia's got possession at center. Gets it over to Orlov. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. Looks like a trip. And he sprints to the bench to get the extra attacker out on the ice. Moves it quickly over to Malkin. And that skips away on the ice. That's 3 consecutive goals.
Now the goalie keeps looking over to the coach saying, why am I still in here? 3 straight for them. If you're the goalie here, you just want to move as quick as you can. Maybe it'll hit you, but it's so close to the net that pass is on the tape and off the tape in a hurry.
Russia's offensive volcano continues to erupt here in the second period.
They look like a juggernaut. They're running into this second intermission with a large lead.
McDavid's won it. Taken by Burns. McDavid's going to play it against the half wall. What a steal in his own end.
When you get behind, you start to get a little frantic. There's an example of a player trying to force a puck into a zone that's not there.
And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
Here in the dying moments of this period, Team Russia's really put the squeeze on here, now up by 3. Bergeron's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Benn swooping in on the attack. Snaps one from the slot, and that's a paddling from the goaltender. Zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And now he moves it quickly to Pietrangelo. Moves the puck. Scores! Is that momentum screaming now?
Well, he's whispering. If they can get another one, he'll start to scream here. Oh, what an effort. He did everything he could to stop that, but he gets beat anyway.
Canada's answered back here in the late stages of the second.
They have to hope this goal signifies the point in the game where it turns. They haven't been very good up until this point.
Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Quick feed to Radulov. On the attack along the boards. Denied by the goaltender.
Time of the goal, 19 minutes, 35 seconds.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And that's all she wrote on period number 2 in this one. 4-2 is where we sit after 40 minutes of play. Third period still ahead.
When the home team wins, you win $10 off at Rob's. When the home team wins, bring your tickets to any Rob's Sporting Goods for a coupon good for $10 off your next purchase of $50.
The third period is just around the corner. Ray and I will bring you all the action in a moment. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Here we go. Put up or shut up for both teams here in this third period. We are underway. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
Team Russia's ahead in this high-chance, high-danger game. No use changing the way you're going to play now.
Long reach breaks up the momentum. Here's a short pass to Malkin. Here's a chance. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Sends it over to Hall. Quick pass to Doughty. Puts it on net, and that one's stopped. Still plenty of time left in this frame. We've got ourselves a 4-2 hockey game. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Rushes across the blue line. Team Russia's got the puck along the boards. Centering pass. Moves it to Kulikov. Right on the doorstep. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With the blast. Denies him with the save. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Dished on over to McDavid. Team Canada's got the puck along the wall. Knocked off the puck. Canada's got control of it now here in the offensive end. From the slot, stopped by the goaltender.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Through center along the wing. Team Canada's got a hold of it along the wall. Ben's got it along the boards. Here's a blast. Can't get it to go. Trying to shake the defender. He's clear. Big time stop on the break.
Goalie came out, matched the shooter's speed, and shut down the chance.
Nice pass. Ahead of steam now towards the front. He scores! Patrice Bergeron comes through.
I don't think the goaltender gets a look at this at all, James. He just drops into the butterfly. He's hoping the thing hits him through that traffic.
Third-period deficit suddenly doesn't seem so insurmountable now.
You can almost see the difference in the bench and the body language. They know they've got a chance.
Great defensive stick work on the play. Sent into the offensive zone. Russia's got it from behind the net. Directs it on over to Kucherov. Right to the middle. Backhand with intention. Stopped by the goaltender.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Pass across to Seguin. And now it's over to Getzlaf. Team Russia's got control of it now from their own end. Zadorov's got it through center. Zadorov's got it in the offensive zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. He got all of that one.
Yeah, and it was that guy who's picking himself and his stick up off the ice.
Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. Unable to reach that one. Slides the puck across to Ovechkin. Ovechkin's carrying it ahead. Sets up from Gretzky's office. And it's a quick pass to Zadorov. The one-time blast. Answers it with an even better save. And he slides it quickly to Seguin. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Oh, what a great submit with the glove. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Quick pass across to Seguin. Carries it in. Quick feed down low. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Weber. And now he moves it to Hall. And he slides it quickly to Weber. Slides that one right across the blue line. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. Scooped up along the wall by Zadorov. Pass right back. Panarin's got the puck. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. Orlov's got the puck along the wing. Now a quick pass to Malkin. Strong use of the body to force the puck loose. And officials right on top of that one, calling for a slashing penalty, it looks like. Slashing the call here on this one.
He got his 2 minutes worth there, James, as he's fishing away, and all of a sudden he takes the stick back and whacks him pretty good.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Well, you hope they're ready for this opportunity, James, as it shows up as they're trailing by 1. Now they get a man advantage and a chance to tie this game up.
Gets it out of his own end. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. Carries it across the line. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. Sticks it. Long jam in front. That's broken up. And manages to clear the zone. Sends the pass over. From in close. Blocker save. Gets it out of his own end. From their own end, and they'll get a fresh set of legs out there on this man advantage. Snaps it on net. Nothing.
You don't get the puck dead center very often. He's got to capitalize.
You wonder if that'll come back to haunt them. Bank pass off the boards. And now he angles it across to Weber. And the puck departs the zone. Team Canada's got it in the neutral zone. And they can't score on the power play. They still trail by a goal.
Oh, they're going to rue that one. A chance to even the score here. They didn't get it done. And we go back to even strength.
Knocked away. Russia's got the puck. Ovechkin's got it along the wing. A little dipsy doodle, and he loses possession of the puck. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. He's going off for tripping, and doesn't everybody feel like they're innocent on a trip?
You feel like you're innocent on most every penalty, but this one always feels like, nah, did you really have to call it?
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
Well, the power play's been pretty ugly tonight. I would expect the coach would have talked to them about making some adjustments. One of the problems becomes you can make adjustments, but you still got, for the most part, the same players out there.
Moves it quickly over to Shabbat. Takes a shot. Big time stop there. Grabbed along the boards by Giroux. Save made by the goalie.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that.
Canada's got a hold of it against the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. With possession along the wall. Quick feed to Giroux. Player goes down to the ice. There's the referee's hand in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty on the way. Giroux's going off to the box for 2 minutes.
Now reaches in with his stick, and he'll go to the box.
Well, things should open up for both sides here with a little 4-on-4 action.
Well, the face-off, of course, is pretty critical. You're not going to have as many scrums 4-on-4, so if you get the puck first, you're going to get it and hold it.
Team Canada's got the puck along the wall and pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Team Russia's ready to go on the attack. Moves it up. And now he tries to get it across to Kuznetsov. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. And he moves it up to McKinnon. And now he moves it quickly to Pietrangelo. Move to the middle. It's an opportunity for the power play unit to go to work now as the penalty expires. Levels them with the hit. Looks to pass it to Buchnevich. Buchnevich has got it against the boards. Out front, and that's picked off. Bergeron's picking up. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he serves it across to Bergeron. Big time defensive play. Slides the puck over. Puts it up front. Stopped by the goaltender.
We're going to go back to the start of the game here and get a look at the way this game has been played. It's been the same since the first period. Body contact after body contact. Both teams are going to be pretty sore when this one's over.
Giroux's back out onto the ice as we are back to even strength here.
Sometimes a power play is more critical than others. Lots of pressure on that five-man group. They didn't get it done, though. They missed at a really important time.
Stopped by the goaltender.
He's sharp on this one. Out on top of the crease aggressively to make the save. Nobody wants to take a step back here. One team makes a hit, it seems like the other team's got to answer right away. It's been like that all game long.
Past the midway mark of the frame, it's a one-goal game at this point. 4-3 is the score. Lets it go from the back end. Scores! We're all tied up!
Oh, it's getting to a stage in the game where you think they're not going to be able to find the equalizer. But they stay at it, and they get it done. You hope this play will work like this. You get a face-off win, it's a quick shot, and it beats the goaltender.
Canada's heart on full display here in the later stages of this third period with that big goal.
Never back down, kept pushing, finally even this game up. Now hopefully can find the winner.
And now it's grabbed by Buchnevich. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. And now it's over to Buchnevich. Excellent stick work on the play. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Back at the point, they set it up. Here's a pass down low. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Oh, that's a good hit. Team Canada's got the puck here in the open ice. Moves up near the blue line and looks to set up at the point. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Burns. Sends a pass over. Shot! Oh, what a stop!
Good technique as the puck is over to the corner out of the way.
Radulov's got it across the line. Moves it around along the half wall. Pass back to the point. Handles the puck. From the slot, wrist shot, and he went too high on that one.
Trying to get it right under the bar, and he zips it up over top of the net.
Under siege, and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
I can't think of a bigger time to make that stop. The game stays tied. Great save.
Getting into the later stages of this period, we are all tied up in this one. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Turns it away on the slap shot. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Right in the slot. Great hand-eye contact on the play. Oh, and he tracks it perfectly in the offensive end. Here's a short pass to McKinnon. Tosses it to Shabbat. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Blazing in on the breakaway. And that doesn't lead to anything.
Apparently he wasn't open enough. He doesn't even really get a dangerous chance.
Quick pass to Seguin. And it's a quick pass to Weber. And the stick, his best friend on that save right there. Dishes it to Tarasenko. Here they are on the attack. And he takes a shot. And there's the save. Picks it off. They go back on the attack. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. When you get into this position, that puck's got to be off your stick in a hurry. You don't have much time to think about it.
Russia's breathing a bit easier now here, coming up with a big goal in this third period.
Their bench was pretty excited when that goal went into the net. Now they'll want to continue to be aggressive and don't let the opponent start to dictate the pace.
Tees off the one-timer and rings the iron.
Team Canada's still going to have to grind away here. They trail, and they're looking for something to go their way. That didn't help.
Nearing the final 60 seconds in this one. And that sails over the net.
He's trying to get rid of it as quickly as possible, but that's got to be on target.
Moves it to Subban. Here's a chance. Oh, what a chance.
Oh, James, he tried to get rid of that in a hurry. He just misses.
It's a 2-on-1. Orlov's going to play it against the half wall. Moves across the point. Moves it quickly over to Kuznetsov. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone.
Coaches always say, James, don't try to make something out of nothing. In the lead, you've got to make the safe play.
Big save. They desperately need a goal. The net is empty and the extra attacker's out. Here we go. Face off inside the offensive end. The net is empty. They've got the extra attacker out. Berger in the offensive zone. Quick feed to McDavid. And he slides it quickly to McDavid. Slides it on over to Orlov. Malkin's got it into offensive territory. Malkin's got it to the side. And there's the insurance marker much needed for them on this night.
It's amazing how many times a guy misses an empty net, but this one he puts between the pipes. Oh, now you got a couple of goal lead here with the empty netter. That should be enough to put this away.
Team Russia's added to their lead with the empty netter, and Ray, that's pretty much all she wrote, I would say.
Well, you grind away to get the lead through this much of the game, and they pull the goalie, they're going to pressure you. You put it away with an easy one into the empty net.
Here's a short pass to Bergeron. All hands on deck here as the extra attacker is now out. And that's all she wrote on this one as we are in the books. Well, how big does that shorthanded goal look now after this one?
Well, you don't expect to score one, really, and you certainly don't expect to give up one. And when that becomes part of the difference, that's a tough one to swallow for the losing team.
And that'll do it. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thank you.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.